Getheka ni wirigiro bwakwa nwithirite uri na weekend njega narua iri Jumamosi tariki 10 mweri jwa Januari mwaka jumweru 2026 bita wa kabwe mutharimi ka ngushugiri ngatho cia mwanya ni bwega muno nondu bagwitana mbere kurumirira akirimetha ya Nteto Meru TV nondu bagugututhura tugitwika nyombe Nteto iri na igweta kathetune ka Amero kuma kirini kiriwe na kimoni. Thank you very much ukolilunya gwitana mbere gutingatira kirimita ngina na Facebook at Meru TV Kenya, YouTube at Meru TV Kenya, narua andiki betu ba Nteto bakinyite itigidio ntere dena odena gunto gutigira ritho ria metha ya Nteto nire kwanganga maturene gutegera jarana jo ja bata kiriwe narua to murikite mantigi kithurano kia maturene kia UDA kana UDA naria governor wa Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki arikitie kuringa kureke kiri cukuru ya primary ya Rubate ni Magumoni ward gicigo mbunge kia Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe akiaria Muthomi Njuki uri governor wa Tharaka Nithi na ugite nikendeke agitana mbere kuringira ndebe munini o wa rais nontu wa kiuthi kia siasa 2027 ni riboti ya mwandiki wetu wa Nteto kumantere isha Tharaka Dagara Waiguna
Tigo ya munde kia makiri utongoria nike yundi kiombete kurutha ithurano ntere mwanya ganthiguruni thura tongoria baraba kabarugamira kiri itengo mwanya aga kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi ringi kura bobo kithina mbere gwa kira wandikiritwo mwanya arakiaria nyuma ya kuringa kura gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Onesmus Muthomi Njuki augite ringi kura bobo bonanite thiri na ntu baumire ta gwethere kuringa kura.
Elections in Tharaka Nithi yomunthe ni peaceful ina wendo gutena mushukashuko gutigwite gundu kwina hooligans gundi buturendaga turnout no nkuona takando mamare monde mobete ana ithida rine ithurano barombo na meka liyo system ni ciambiririe kuri guteru kidogo no lakini ni kawaida lakini bado kuthina mbere wega
Njuki akiwa mutaratara ura bagutumira ta kiama giki uri na guma na weru na no mwega kinya kurigeria gwamba bakura bantu mararite gita kara kuringa kura gituoni karobate primary rwandini ya Magumoni gicigo munge gya Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe.
System rano na ya kiama gitu ya UDA ni system imwe ina transparency, democratic, ina chance ya kuruta rigging kidokoanio na nembega na undu wa bururi no buri agasongete gusonga gati ria ingu bati kuthura na ukienda kinga imwe na nusu kuthura ntu mugwanja na ninkwenda muno kuthura monde 20 lakini system yetu gutigiria mo mangino ni mendete endo menya bare wali ni nguthurite nuntu ibona thura muntu nguru gwa ne nguthura
gobo gekareka kirichigo munge bira binge kire go Tharaka na Kemara aragichigo munge Tharaka musi kwa munini wa rais Professor Kithure Kindiki Mukothima tukomanite na sisi mutheni Karangia mwana murori giteke mujumbe kirisa cha mwaka wa 2027 Muchomba Marigo bonde bakiwa kithurano giki kirire na guma na gweru
ta mutheni Karangi ndi member wa UDA registrate ya Mukothima Market Police Station na nkurikia kuringa kura yakwa utientiga siona kwa na nini na anto wetha bena peace wetha bena thiri meaba ya kureta bitina nto UDA kiama democratic UDA kiama kila mtu murimi asla nani kila mtu akondani kwa kila mtu accommodate ndi kiama kia UDA komea ni tureta mpagaga
tina major issues. I think process ni kuendelea bwega na tukimitaga na antu tukaba kubaira bendelea kuringa nkuruki na 2027 ukaiwa ndi ndebeni kiromba ite MP wa Tharaka na tayari ndanjirie serious crowd work
ni aranga vana Njuki ugite kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi bakathi na mbere kugwatira kiama gwa mana thirikari
bijirine yetu ni tugano wako turi oba UDA muntu nangecha na baralami bede inwa Tharaka Nithi anoga za kuweru itoni county uongozi mwega wa UDA neno wetu ni utumete kudiba kwina mbeche kudi county kena barabara kwa duka balaba turi region you support munene tumona munini wake ule umite Tharaka Nithi county Professor Kithure Kindiki na nituenda kuendelea ogununtu na tubati kuburia tubirite baria tugutethekera na mbuga muntu ngitwa na kiuria muntu makoni na tuthiete mbere na mutaro akirira na kiare giake nyatumene metho ukona maria Kenya thiete
kumaga kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi nkiripotera Meru TV rieto kambita ndagara waiguna
katutegere amubu kithurano kia maturene kia kiama kia UDA giokari kaunti ya Meru na aria amu rithori ria metha ya nteto ritigirite kwithira kuri na utaribu bunini bwa barani Meru kana akariba kaunti ya Meru baikinyitie kiri ituo bia kura nontu bwa kwithira bakiringa kura yao ikonie kithurano kia UDA mwarigweto nteto Mukiri Onkunja na tigirite bura kwithirite kuri Ndena Odena kathetune ka Amiru na aria kwithirite kuri na ituo bi bia kithurano kia UDA kuri na utari bukai bwa akari
na kwena ithurano bya UDA bya grassroots leaders kana atongoria ba mashinani ende atongoria mwanya na baraba kuromba itebi ne baumirite na kuromba haringi kura bombe kwithia bakiumira rukiriro na arua na kuringa kura ina there bakiromba kinya anto baraba teke amake kia UDA bakomba kwithira bakireta kasakasa ende na kombe kwithia kukionekana there kende ithurano bi byomba kwithia bietana mbere bweya
undea gwendete kia one level organizing secretary o UDA itugoromba antu betho beno kiriria na antu baturingire kura na baringire nyabo bange banasono no gethote o UDA ogia guthukia githurano kia UDA no nturia kia ku kigeya nyantu ba UDA batuthukia kia ku ko tugoromba antu betho beno kiri na tusakorane na thiri na tuendeleze mantu yetu na thiri Murungu kenda tumbo kulukia kiama kietu boya
nkuri antu betho bonthe antu twikianine already baturikenda bakomba kuringa kura na bara bateba kiama kia UDA tafadhali wetha no kumnyote registered na aru ati ntukweku na ntukweku ri kiama yaku kia kinya tuteya so karibuni sana boturingire kura windeti ati kia organizing secretary na thward
te kuringa kura cia kuthura representatives betu ba UDA kuma ntere cionthe ndikithurano kuendelea the whole country kana nthi yonthe ithurano ibi kuendelea ti yake baraba witikiru kuringa kura u ni baraba ri akari bantu nene githoro ntunene na we register na kiama kia UDA na inyoke akari baiturie sana kwa wingi turingire antu babe tukura tumbe kuthura kiama kia UDA
kaitene kau kirarombi kuriji ni bawete ate kiama kia UDA ni kiombeta kwethia kekelikithie mirinteri cia Meru tibaki hanto kuwa kiama kia UDA ni kia kwirenteri cia Meru
UDA kwa tu akure antu kina miri ni Meru county kiminya MPs betu bondi ba UDA na kinya retra with the registration yo kia kwalelia na thwadi ni registered antu baraba ingi so kiama kia UDA ki very strong
na nda wote antu ange UDA na miri Meru County na Igembe North aratu na
mwinga kura ruare ni antu baba register na UDA nonto kiama gere register antu oitu gere register antu 20 na saindi ko ketho register uri muntu UDA register na UDA ogomba kuringa kura te bonthe bakuringa kura ne baba bakiama baba register na UDA
nkiripotera Meru TV kumembe beta Mukiri Onkunja
tugitikana na siasa iu cia biama tutegere kiriro gukaya kwa akari kuma ntere cia Igembe muno ntere cia antu betwe ekiongo bara bacumiritie gutariria mathina kathumba yara baithirite bagikurukira ni wagibwa rui rutheru rwa kunywa ningi inya wagibwa rui rutumirwa kiri migunda na ria nande bataritie kwinyilika kwa inya bari aremi otabire mondi kwetu anteto kuma muri ojwa Igembe murithi wa ba agutariria
aturi na kariba akiromwathi barabara indene ya antu betwe ni baumirite na guteta nundu bwa mbo ira benjiritwe ni Meru County ire bakwithwa bakiuga ni bakurigwa mbeca inyingi ciukinya ciringi 10 mitungi iri na kinya ringi bakendirwe kinya 15
Kiria dio kira ai kinene ana bongo batikunda ro ya nanga rwaro kuyiro muchiari yani ro omba wikiro juvene age yaruo boyele rwero turende gwa giringi 10 na bebutini na rwero batikwezo arukinya wana mitongile giringi 5 alla budori andwe giringi bebutini
na geke ndiare tini to yera rokire to atwara roene komi na to na beptini na to bati otasiro motongi robi asumuni na to bati otaru metongi leidano to na metongi leidano na to bato tisinya kamete tu nari moboto na buo
akari baba bakiaria ni bakuga ati bo ingi ciendagia ciringi 5 indi bakurigara bone ate bakwenderwa ciringi 10 na 15
Oi, anto beto, tukainye lua nini hoi. Community inge cionde mbwao cienda cio ciringi 5 motongi. Motongi leidano. Batu ako tueka batu roi tukwenderwa 10 ne ningi na mbwao. Tukwethia ata tukwenderwa roi ko 10. Na tuereke batu tuteo baondi eke kana tutumwaya kura.
Roma kuromba. Oro metongi leidano. Ondo inge kwendwa no ndo inge isi nji otero rongo na suye komi oto wanda na metongi le butini era yande kiara eromba to eromba to wanda metongi le zano ra komi no ete to ro kenjwa
nanande ni bakuromba utethio bungi bura bomba kubatethia bakomba kwenderwa rujuru bwega
Sola ira michiba tukwetheria Roe tokanyua na tringizano
Baumana roe mojiana ana baumana roe mojie na tobondi nogwebwe nebwa baumana mojie
Ngurukini bakuga kamitire ya tarirwe ni batirio kutharua na kathithwa ingi iria ikomba kubathikira na iria ikomba kubenderia ruci bwega uria bagirite
MCA kamete ne garante yani papuleki bati to papuleki kyane ke sukuru to dura kamete yo to gareria roe na ko tueke roe ro to te kwenderwa turenderwa metongi le drinki 5 ko bati kamete were go nonto ni ka ba kuria beto rumanga na kuria besala ange koro no te mwe koro tori bati bete ba kerumanga ange koro berumangira ange koro muno na kwa to go to gurinya na mane gurumanga ange koro nonto ange koro isi duranire na kura
Murithi wa banki ripotera Meru TV ku maya mirigone ya Igembe akiro mwathi tubetwe ya Kiongo
na arimo aciari na aritwa abacukuru ya Mekindari Girls no baitite na mbere gukenera mpumi injega cia kigerio kia KCSE akiaria mwarimu munene wa senior school A ya Mekindari Girls na atariritie kiragi tumite cukuru ithira ikithithia bwega nkiruki agikatha itagaria ria mubunge wa kishumbunge kia tigania Eastern Puraburi kurita mbesha cia mbasari kiri aritwa ni irinjira ya kuringa aciari njeki yegi uri bwa VC onto mwarimu akuga nibutetheretie kwithira na mitaratara mega ya ana kwamukira kithomo ningi bakithithia bwega kiri kigerio kiao kia form 4 kana KCSE. Riboti ya Adams Muturia aritiania
Ni alichoba mbere Mother of God Mekindori Girls Senior Secondary School baraba chumirete ndane tauni Mekindori kwethabe konkora mpuminja cha kiroke KCSE arathukuru etetera mbere komba kwethira ikithara kaunti ya Meru kishwambuka tigani East na kinya Kenya yonthe.
In the year 2025 we have a mean score of 8.0578. From the previous year, an improvement of positive 0.9378. Having had a total of 173 students, a total of 9 students scored grade A minus. And 2 students scored B plus. That one scored plus. And we had only 11 students scoring grade C plain and 5 C minus, and just only 1 student get a D plus. We have now a transition to the university of 156 students who acquired a total of 90.29%, almost 100%.
Girls, I hand you to work hand in mathematics and sciences. It is doable. We have done it last year, and we are going to exceed expectations for this year 2026.
This class was very united with the teachers, very cooperative, doing what they were told to do, doing exactly what they had to do, being disciplined, and also following the school rules, which has also helped them achieve what they have achieved today. So we are very happy, very much excited to have their grades today, very excited to be pleased that today we have achieved the school target.
Kuringana na mwarimu munene wa skuru eno mbeche kwitha gicokeria arimu aciari mwana riconka thokumana mpumi akiwa ngwatanio na kuritaniria ngui ya monio tumite bomba kwithira bakiwata mpumi bethirite bakiwatira mwaka yu.
We also have our sub-county director of education, Mr. Joseph Kavisa, who really led us and guided us and on how to achieve more grade A minuses and A planes. And therefore, we also appreciate him, our board of management, which has been working with us, led by our able chairlady, Dr. Ngrole Motungi, and the chairman academic committee, Dr. Simon Kobaison. We have also our parents, and we have our teachers. And this year particularly, our teachers have done a lot of work. And looking at the performance in all the subjects, we have had positive improvement.
I've worked with a lot of collaboration and inclusion with all the members concerned, and the class 2025 was disciplined and obedient and working, let me say so, as the principal said yesterday. And students come at the end of this year, we expect that we are going to get our target of 9.0 plus.
Othia Bruno mbete kwithira gicokeria utongoria boicio mbugetiganisti batongoretio ni mubunge mporo wa bori aragwite mbasiria mbete kwithira kiba icio mbete kwithira gitethia ritobo kwithira bakiria thukuru na kurieria bomba kwithira bakingwa kaita wakaita onto bombete kwithira ndakiotira mpumi njega.
And we had our political leaders, our member of parliament, who brought in a former alumni to this school. We have also Honorable Florence Kajuju, who also graced our occasion. And not only did they grace the occasion, they have been supporting our students academically by giving our students bursaries. Girls, do you get bursaries from these offices? Yes! So, out of it, we were able to maintain our learners in school.
Kiripoti ya Meru TV kumatiani Petanda Msimuturia wa Dhirenja.
Ni oribotwe kaithira itwikia break yetu ya mbere kaithira ngikunda gikombe kia roi ndi tocokera tukethira tukitegira bura cukuru ingi ejirite ikithithia bwega inya mwirio jwa embe na inya ntere cia Tharaka mpumi cia kigerio kia KCSE cithirite iri atia oriria aciari bakubangania na kwithuranira gucokia anaba grade 10 cukuru bakibaikia senior skills kiumetwitite iri Jumatatu ya tariki 10 inge eto chokerete nacio toeta breki ndeka ijere idato.
Chokia rogono.
Chokia ni rogono.
Jokia dogono gote muntu te rogono rwawe na gote rogono rutitumi ukaigwa rukagono. Jumatatu cionthe Meru TV tukureterete mubango jwa Jokia rugono, mubango juri na murutira jwa utoro withura witho bwa mothio jwa kenga ukinyaniria bwa iroto na umba ni borea tugutura gatumenya rugono rwaku kume kuriro. Iji ningono iri na mataro wigikana gukaniria nkoro na igutureta amwe ndene ya muturire. Jokia rugono Jumatatu cionthe kwambiriria thaa 2:30 cia ugoro mwanka thaa 3:30 cia utuku. Mianga tene ya murithi wa baja kwa Meru TV.
Karibu Embu College, mahali vipaji vinageuka kuwa taaluma. Hapa tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu mwenye ujuzi unaotafutwa duniani leo. Kosi zetu ni pamoja na biashara na uhasibu, kupata msingi imara wa dunia ya fedha na biashara, uandishi, kujenga, kubuni na kuunda suluhisho za kifundi, ususi na urembo kwa ubunifu unaogusa maisha na kuongeza weledi, upishi, kuleta ujuzi wa mapishi ya kitaalamu na ladha zinazovutia, usimamizi wa utalii, kukuandaa kwa fursa katika sekta ya utalii na huduma, sayansi ya kompyuta na tehema ambapo teknolojia ya kesho inaanza leo, elimu ya udhibiti wa uhalifu, kuchangia usalama na ustawi wa jamii, mhudumu wa afya, wahudumia wengine kwa weledi na huruma, udereva kwa ujuzi salama na wa kuaminika barabarani. Chagua Embu College. Safari yako ya mafanikio inaanza na hatua moja. Jiunge nasi leo kwa kupiga simu 0721 152 709 ama ututembelee katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook, Instagram na TikTok ni @Embu College. Embu College, skills to go places.
Igita rĩa kuria gutethekana rĩrĩkĩtie gukinya arĩo kaigwatĩra bikibiki na kogori gaka nini gakothu Tiger Captain Motorcycle nĩ tukwendia bikibiki ithongi cia Tiger Captain na twina mondero jo mweru jo muthongi Captain Max 150/30 itinyunya mauta kenu nkaira gwitia kibari na kunoja kwina ma ndituraburetere bikibiki inge ithongi muthemba juria jwa stima koga chanji itinyunya mauta na nitugwatanirite na watu credit Sako baria ukumba kwithirwo kiria koguri kanini mantu jakabua kiria gikwendekana garanto mwe na ka deposit na kibande KRA pin. Tiger Captain Motorcycle twendene ya mutindo kangangi o aja gaitia musigiti ringa namba eje nikendo karani na bautwe nikendo gatetheka ija ucionere into bikibiki niyo eu twina offer ne Tiger Captain Motorcycle endia babikibiki barabara nkuma kathetu ni Kamiru.
Ni bwega muno nondu bwete na mbere gututhura kurumirira akirimetha ya nteto tumurike mpumisha kigerio kia KCSE ntere cia Tharaka Nithi na cukuru inyingi cithirite igitana mbere kuthithia bwega ntere cia Tharaka. Bamwe ba aciari bananite na metha ya nteto bakionania gikeno kiao nondu bwa gukira kwa kithomo ntere cia Tharaka. Ria baugite ni baithirite batigi nyuma kwa itarira ya indi rire niri igitare ya Tharaka kwithira igiukira inya gi kithomo tabire Ndagara wa Igona gutariria.
Warira mpumi cha kĩrĩo ya KCC cha mwaka wa 2020 nĩrĩkĩte na kũrekerwa muthenya wa Munde Meru TV na There FM nĩrĩkĩte na kũrĩonga macukuru mwanya mwanya gagĩcigo munge kĩa Tharaka ũkĩrĩongera cukuru yarĩ amatĩri ĩrĩa ĩtongoretie gakathĩtuni kamwe Tharaka bakĩonania nkena ciao. Ni ara mwarimu munene wa materi bwana Dennis Micheni akathĩte njorua cia mwaka wa 2045 akiuga ngwatanĩro na gwĩtũma igũcangĩre tempo mino arankũrũkia arutwo magana maĩrĩ begwaterete ngirĩndi ya kũthongera university.
Leo tuko na furaha sana kwa matokeo ya KCSE ambayo ilitoka jana. Wanafunzi wetu wa KCSE 2025 wamefanya vizuri sana, ya kwamba wanafunzi over 200 wamepata C+ and above kwenda university. Percentage of 87.9%. Tunashukuru Mungu kwa hizo result mzuri, kwa vile wanafunzi walishikiana. The students were very disciplined, very hard working, na walimu pia walifanya kazi yao, waliwasaidia, and we believe that even the class of 2026 is going to do even much better because they are determined and they are very serious with their work. Tunashukuru Mungu sana kwa hizo result, na pia tunashukuru Mungu kwa sababu wanafunzi wa grade 10 wameanza kuja shule. We have more than 100 students already, and tunaomba Mungu na tunashukuru wale ambao wametuamini kama Matiri waendelee kuleta watoto, kwa sababu tuna nafasi mingi hapa Matiri. So tunashukuru Mungu kwa haya yote, na tunaamini ya kwamba tutaendelea kuinuka Matiri Girls na kufanya zaidi vizuri zaidi. Matiri oh! Matiri oh!
And 2025 class, you are up for a big challenge from the 2026 class, because we are going to break you. We are going to do the best we can, and we are going to make the
cukuru ya kwenuka ya iriani wa mane ya mukothi makinya bo bakionania mpomi mbega na bakira ritwa kathomba university.
Ana betu ibaruthite bwega twaraitha situation na bura process yenu ya kari ibaruthie bwega na itucokeria Murungu nkatho. Tweni karinji ana betu nikenda bega gwa we prepared de aba kurutha kigerio na utie mwana we yantu ino bwega nonto simbi imeyete arabaga place in pathways na kinyaba babo twinabo nonto twina so many technical colleges twina TTCs inkwanje aciari mwana atiga karemuje ana bonde baba thiririe cukuru bairwa baruthe courses baba qualified university bathi to universities nikenda in future community yetu yombokura through education.
We are doing very well. We have laid foundation for better performance in the future. We are proud that we have not wasted any students. We have got all people who are going to be certified at certificate levels, diploma levels, and the degree levels. The class we are very optimistic. The 2026 class will take us to a greater height. Thank you very much.
Niarana kuwewo ukandikwa mabukuni mamuririkana cukuru yari ya Kabwabwa ira Tharaka North wandia mukothi mana yonka ya thirikari ikaririkana nonto bwa kwandikithira mbere kwirana kenda university. Wamona kuongera pointi tiere mwankani jere cukuru ya mbere agagĩcigo munge kĩa Tharaka kuongera pointi mbinge na kuigwetari na ngireni ndindi maina kana ikire kigero kiao.
Happy today to announce and tell you that we are happy as a school to have done well in the just released KCSE, And I want to say that all these were the efforts of our able BOM, who were very supportive to the staff. I also want to say that the office has been there for the students. We have not taken the students to the university since we began. Remember, when a school begins, you collect the students from wherever, from whatever grades they have. But now, having said the phase when the principal came and sponsored the students from the time she came, and you can see we have performed, it means we have opened the doors even for the coming students to work hard and make this school a proud school. Let's have a Kaga Girls in Tharaka so that we don't have students travel to far places. Thank you.
For Zoe. Form for Zoya. We promise that we are going to do best even than they did, and that we are going to take a very large number of students to the university. We are happy and we congratulate our teachers for giving us all these promoting things, and that we are going to add more effort in all the situations and work hard to achieve well.
Mageciga munge kia Tharaka nkiripotera Meru TV rieto kambita ndagara waiguna
tukiumantere cia Tharaka nithi gutigera burashukuru mwanya ciithirite igitana mbere gukungwira mpumi cia kigerio kia KCSE nyuma ya kwithira igitumirwa ni CSU wa kithomo Julius Migos Ogamba na ndiritho reto retegere cukuru cia Ndena ira ya Igembe na ria Kiridine Day Secondary School ithirite igitana mbere kuthithia bwega kiri kigerio kia KCSE aciari arimo ninge na arito bagishumiria kiri mambura manene ja gukungwira kwithira kuri na anankiruki ya igana baraba ithirite bagita cukuru cia nkathi ya iguru kome mutiga na gutariria
baune aritoa bazukuru ebarikie Kirindine niwere interesi ya Kachio Igembe South baituritie na wiru na kuwiru kuna ne okungwira mpumi cia kierike KCSE nacio irarokirirwe oro cionanitie cukuru endetie na nkoloki emanatha to university nara batongeretu ni arimu bazukuru nthi yotongeria bo principal no Irene Miriti baikenera mpumi ne bautalelia rwendo bakulukirite kenda bakinyite
Ruare katuria kuwirirwa mbumi cia kigerio kia form 4 kia last year 2025 buria tuthithetie bwega tukaitu bwega turari na candidate manayana na ke aritoa bau manayana itwiketie 307 manayana to na Mwanza University. Last year tuikete alikuwa 232 mwaka yo tuikete maana ya 3 na Mwanza na itoweretwe muno nonto wa improvement ya mwaka yo na itobwithite bwega tuna mean ya 7.53 improvement kuma ke ya last year ya 7.15 ito improve tena 0.38 na tuiringaringire ni karo ino ntuboge
nanga sokere murugu kando na ntubo result ya twinacio cia 2025 result isi onekete no ntubo aritobetu kwithrobe na the highest discipline round kwithrobe ya skuru kuma 6 to 6 aritobetu be ya skuru Saturday kwithomera bongwa be ya Sunday na aritingui na ibu kuona ki result itu inacio ibasio meche sana ibu ntutombete wikiana 307 university
ni mpumi kulingana na arimu bazukuru ciumanite na kwiritanĩria na magi kwa arimu aritwa mbodi ndugamirio cukuru o amwe na kinyazi ari barabate mama kuona na boy bakuria cukuru
arimu ntimenya buranga bwira lakini ndi arimu very special arimu very hard working arimu bajitolea patela asimisha wa rokere 6 nyani nge ya skuru nde patiri maana bakirita na remedios bakirita na dawn classes bange bakabanga evening classes bibio betomete Kirindine Day Secondary School to shine members ba board ibethire to be support system nene
kuikia ande school ikia to 307 university tengwe musetho tio maloi na ando mbe atongeria bonde tukarie school ye twentura twira na session pakangilia school ye tukeya kuya torwa giant yetu twanje kuthekelo ibangi kirendene secondary school kya kuyithwa asiari baba tina na biase yana middle school class intimbi na baita. So please tukari skuru yetu tukari mwalimu wetu
na kiri muritu omwe urotongereti zugurwe na minus yari wa kiroto na kyo nike kubwithe civil engineering itumia kuri barabangi base group bairatire kenda bamboginyile iroto bio
musawira mungu kazo ntowangi nyetea civil wese wangu niko saudenya skuru ya administration being led by Madam Principal untuk support around the Tamil dan dengan teaching staff yang menggunakan untuk masuk ke dalam kantor itu untuk membuat teknik itu dan ada yang minus untuk bisa civil engineering.
Ke reporter Meru TV kumembe mbeta wakome wa mutia
Katutegere riboti ya keba itigite baba inge bakiruria mata bari na muthoro jo monene ningi borisi ne barikite kuyukia itagaria reke watho nayo ni riboti igie mukuru wa ukurubo miaka 42 kuwata Kenya na kunyangia mwana wa ukurubo miaka 17 makutano Meru na aria akiaria Ambrose Chalo ameneretie itagariri akiwa niria unyumo uria mu akiwa mukuru o Mwangi Ndoni na jukirite itagaria ke watho.
For a suspect who is suspected to have defiled a 17-year girl, a minor. The suspect is one Mr. Martin Njoro, aged 42 years. It is alleged that early this year, 1st January, this minor voluntarily went to the house of the suspect, Mr. Njoro, whereby it is suspected that they had carnal knowledge. And then that was during the day on 1st January 2026. Then the girl went back home. On 7th, our mother suspected something, that probably the girl had been defiled. And on inquiry, the girl yielded and she agreed that he did. She was defiled by a suspect well known to her. The following day, that was on 8th, that is yesterday, the mother with her village manager, they went to the house of the suspect, and indeed they found him in the house and locked the house from outside, and then called police officers from Kabakia police station. Police officers rushed to the scene and arrested the suspect. Now as we speak, the girl was taken to Nairobi Women Hospital and the suspect is in custody, waiting investigations and statements to be recorded. It is concerning that these senior people are luring such young girls, but we also call upon the responsibility of the parent, because investigations reveal that the minor went to the suspect's house voluntarily, and it is upon now the parents to take strict parental care.
Riboti ya ntomorome ukele alimo yekaithira itukinyithia mwisho jwa jara tukubanganiritie kango shwiri nkatho cia mwanya ni bwega muno nonto bwitana mbere kurumirira gututhura nonto bwaku tugituika nyumba nteto irairi na igweta kathetune ka Meru kuma kirini kiriwe na kimoni moni. Thank you very much. Gaita itana mbere amu tuthingatira kiri mitandao ya kinande Facebook @Meru TV Kenya, YouTube @Meru TV Kenya. Unbeta wakabwe mutharimi.